Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So you guys, I'm following up again with another Christmas goodie that I got. This particular Christmas gift I did get 2024 in my stocking stuffer, and I must say that I like her better than the one I got in 2023. But without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump right into her. So this is the Coach Floral Blush. Y'all, she is super cute. So she has that standard Coach design engraved into the bottle. I like how with the Wild Rose, they did the same thing with her. Gave her this cute leather band that goes under the base of the pump. And then look at this. I love how they gave her a little floral here. Oh, isn't that cute? With a little gold, with a little silver chain here that says Coach New York, I believe. But she is just super cute. And just like the Wild Rose, you kind of get that ombre effect. Like the Wild Rose, you do get that ombre effect. You can see where the base of the bottle starts off with a cute, dark, pinky, peachy type color. And as it gets to the top of the bottle, it gets to a lighter pinkish color and then clear. So you do have that ombre effect kind of going on here, which I absolutely love it. Again, it's just like the Wild Rose. It's something that definitely catches your eye right away. My blush child, I like her. She's not wham bam and loud and all up in your face. She is a gentle heart, and that's why I like her. At heart, I am a soft floral girl. I love soft florally scents because it's just more feminine. It's more softer. It's not so harsh. I haven't really just found my place in the harsh world when it comes to perfumes. So right now I need her to be a little gentle. I think she's wonderful for a beginner. She's wonderful for a beginner. For any of you all that want some back history, she is from the House of Coach, and she made her big debut in the year 2019. So she is not that old herself. She's a little bit older than Wild Rose, but hey, whatever. She can withstand the test of time. Just a couple of fragrance notes that I just want to bring to your attention. She consists of goji berries, grapefruit, peony, peach, and musk. So I love that. She is definitely your summer girl. Wear her during the summer. Wear her a lot. However, I have found that I've been able to get away with wearing her in the fall and winter too. You can wear her for either season, but I think she will smell at her best in the summer. I really like her. She's super uber girly. So let's talk about the price point, you guys. She is not that expensive either. So if you're looking for a cheap name brand type perfume, then she may fit the budget. So you can get her in a 3 ounce. She runs $48 for that. You can get her in the tester. She costs roughly $40. There is a 1.7 that's about $32. You can get her in a 1 ounce for $23, or you can get the travel size for roughly $14. Okay, she may be a safe buy if you want to do a blind purchase, but if you do a blind purchase, I would highly recommend. I do recommend with all perfumes, especially if you're not going to actually go to the store and check her out. If you're going to purchase her as a blind buy, I recommend that you only just get the travel size to see if she is even something you really like, versus you breaking the bank buying something you don't like and then you stuck with her. You get what I'm saying? So just kind of keep that in mind. But yeah, you guys, I like her. This is my second Coach perfume, so I like her. I can't even complain. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tools in the next one. Smooches.